Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is a long awaited video. Oh my god, I have been dying to do this video and to get this package so I can show you guys. So this is from Chinkies. This is my sister-in-law's company here. She has a business that she runs through Etsy right now, and she has such amazing things. She's going to be coming out with so many different products, like gel polishes. She has acrylics. She has a new sample set as well that you can go and check out. I'm going to put all her information down below, her Instagram, her Etsy shop. You can go and check it out and purchase some of these items. There are going to be different packagings that she has, which is all updated. These are some of her creations that she made on her own. So I'm going to show you guys what's in here. Yes, I did look at it as I got it a little while back. I couldn't wait to open it. But I am going to show you guys what's in here. So let's get into it. So this is her card. I love the colors and everything. This is so cute. So I was so shocked and amazed to see these right here. They're so cute. Okay, so I've never used water decals and or these kind of stickers or decals that you put on the nails. She does custom made decals. She can use your photos, anything that you have with the picture, anything, she can customize them so that she can make them into decals and you can put them on your nails. So please go and check her out. All her information, like I said, is going to be down below. These are so beautiful. Oh my god, I was like, oh my god, these are so cute. I love this. I love this. I can't wait to try these out. They just came out so amazing. So I was so surprised to see these because this was a surprise. I didn't know I was getting this or that she did this. So this was really nice. I really can't wait to use these. So if you want some custom made decals, I'm going to have her information down below. So go and check her out and get you some custom made decals. Look at how pretty, right? Okay. She cut one of these, and this is my favorite color, which is so crazy. I love blue. Blue is my favorite color. So this, I'm not really sure the name of it, but I know that this is like that alligator clip or something. Like when you have really long nails, you can put your card to hold your card or pull it in and out from the ATM machine, things like that. So I love this, it's so cute. And this tassel, I'm putting this on my keychain. Obviously she put A for my name. So cute. And then let's see. And then I have this pen, and it has a refill right here. I love this color, it's so cute. Look at this, nice pen, and it comes with the refill in there. These are also cute. This is her custom made cuticle oil, which she makes as well. Look at this, this is so cute. I love this. I can't wait to use this. And then this is a UV LED gel polish. This is a base coat and a no wipe top coat. These are big. This is a 15 ml. I love this. That black pink, that's so pretty. And then this here is her 4-ounce monomer, no MMA. Can't wait to try this with that color. So I have not worked with acrylic yet, and it's been many years since the first time I even tried acrylic back in school. So I'm excited to try it again. I did purchase some other acrylic sets that I showed you guys before, but I have yet to use them. So these are her custom made colors. So she hand made these colors herself. So I cannot wait to try these. These are ones I don't believe you'll be able to get your hands on. She will be coming out with different colors and everything right now that's gonna be on her Etsy shop soon. So those please check out. I am going to test these out and show you maybe in this video or in another video that's gonna be coming right now. So I'm gonna I think I'm gonna just take these off this wrapper and then give you guys the colors at least, and then we'll do a color swatch on them. So this color here is the Chinkies Cover Pink. Oh, I love this. Oh, look at that. That's a lot in here. And these are, doesn't say the ounces on here. This one is the Chinkies Haze. Ooh, look at that color. It's like a blue. This color is not doing it any justice. This light. Let me see if I can get it. This is so cute. Stay tuned for the swatches, guys. I know it's been so long. Oh my god, I miss being here, you guys. I've been so swamped with work, but I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back. This is clearly pink, and I cannot wait to try these acrylics. I have been wanting to do acrylics for a long time now. I just know that with like the monomers kind of get smelly sometimes, and you know, I got the kids in the house. I don't want to use it with them, but we'll see, we'll see. This is Chinkies White. You know I love me some whites. White, some like, those are, how do you call it? Those like pearly whites. This looks really, really nice. Like that milky white, I mean. I love me some milky whites. Oh my god, so many colors. I'm so excited. Okay, this one is the Chinkies Clear. I love these the packaging. This is the clear. I love the color. Black is my favorite besides blue. This is Chinkies Raspberry. Oh, look at that color. This is Chinkies Blue Pearl Dry. Ooh, look at that blue. That's so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to swatch these. This is Chinkies Pearl. Ooh. This lighting is doing it no justice because there's some nice like crystal, like glittery in there. I know you can't see it. Oh, I can't wait to swatch. And this is the Chinkies Sea Wave. Look at that though. It kind of looks like the other one though. I can't even know which one it was. Maybe this haze or this blue pearl. Chinkies Pink. I can't wait to try the pink ones. And then the last two. One is Dusty Rose. Oh, look at how pretty. And last but not least is Chinkies Berry. Okay, so that is what was in here. So it is 2, 6, 8, 10, 12 beautiful colors. So I cannot wait to swatch these. Please stay tuned. It's going to be coming up right now. So these are all from Chinkies. So please head over to her Etsy shop. She has a like a sample kit that comes with a little bit of everything so that you can try out some of her products that she has right now. She will be coming out with some gel polishes. She does have a lot more other little things on her sites, like the little crown where you can put your monomer in. She has a whole bunch of other like glitters and things that you can put on there for your nails. So go and show her some love. I want to thank Chinky for providing me with all this product right here. Thank you so much, Jackie. I love you. I'm going to be doing the color swatching soon, and I'm going to be using these products to be showing you my way of getting back into working with acrylics. So I cannot wait to try these. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.